Hey there, science fans. Today we're stepping into the exciting world of calculus. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Calculus is like a powerful tool that helps us understand how things change. Think about a car speeding up or the temperature of your coffee cooling down. Calculus gives us the mathematical language to describe these changes in a precise way. It's like having a secret code to unlock the mysteries of motion, growth, and everything in between. In this easy-to-understand guide, we'll break down the basics of calculus into bite-sized pieces. We'll learn about limits, derivatives, and integrals, the building blocks of this fascinating field. So buckle up and get ready for an awesome adventure in the world of calculus. You might be wondering, why should I care about calculus? Well, believe it or not, calculus plays a vital role in our everyday lives. It's the secret sauce behind many amazing technologies and scientific discoveries. Ever marveled at the launch of a space rocket? Calculus helps engineers calculate the precise trajectory and fuel consumption for a successful mission. What about the thrilling drops and loops of a roller coaster? Calculus ensures a safe and exhilarating ride by predicting the forces at every twist and turn. From designing bridges and airplanes to predicting weather patterns and stock market trends, calculus is everywhere. It's the language that scientists, engineers, and economists use to understand and shape our world. By learning calculus, you're opening doors to a universe of possibilities and gaining a deeper appreciation for the wonders of math. Let's start our calculus journey with the concept of limits. Imagine you're walking towards a wall. You can get closer and closer to the wall without actually touching it, right? Limits are similar. In calculus, a limit tells us what happens to a function, a mathematical rule, as its input gets closer and closer to a specific value without actually reaching that value. It's like sneaking up on a secret answer without giving it away. Limits help us understand the behavior of functions at certain points, even if those points are tricky or undefined. They're essential for defining derivatives and integrals, the cornerstones of calculus. Section 4. Unveiling derivatives, the power of change. Now let's talk about derivatives. Remember how we said calculus helps us understand change? Derivatives are the superheroes of change. A derivative tells us how much a function is changing at a particular point. Think of it like the speedometer in your car. It tells you the instantaneous rate of change of your position, which is your speed. Derivatives have tons of applications in real life. They help us calculate the slope of a curve, find the maximum and minimum values of a function, and even model the spread of diseases. They're like magical tools that reveal the hidden dynamics of our world. Section 5. Understanding integrals, adding up the pieces. Integrals are like the opposite of derivatives. While derivatives break things down into smaller pieces, integrals put those pieces back together. Imagine you have a pizza sliced into many pieces. An integral is like adding up the area of all those slices to find the total area of the pizza. Integrals are used to find areas under curves, volumes of solids, and the total work done by a force. They're essential for understanding accumulation, distribution, and many other important concepts in science and engineering.